Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today I'm going to do some scalping on the gold and we are right now on the 1 hour time frame. Now of course before I start I just wanted to remind everyone about which video first you have to watch, guys, in order to understand the strategy that I'm using in this video. So of course first you will need to go to my channel right here and click on the playlists button. And after that, you will click here on Forex Scalping Strategies. Open the strategies, my friends, and then you will find the first video right here, Forex. Learn this amazing and simple strategy to scalp gold on the 1 minute time frame and also the 5 minute time frame. This video is very important and I believe it's one of the best Forex strategies that I have ever offered for free right on my channel. So please make sure that you are checking that video first before you proceed watching this video if you didn't watch that one first. So right now I'm on the 1 hour time frame and we can see clearly that the market right now is facing a support zone, which means we have to look for buy orders. So on the bigger time frame, the 1 hour time frame, we are on a support. That being confirmed, let's now move to the smaller time frame, and right now I'm actually on the 5 minute time frame. Now pay attention. The market right here has created a real level of a support. And then the market has made another here, what we can call a false breakout. And then the real level of the support has again been respected. Now it has been confirmed that this was a real level of a support. Meanwhile, this one, we really don't care about it at all. Now, this attempt right here is considered as support number 1. Because the breakout has happened right here already, so the attempts has been resetted. Which means we don't start to count the support attempt from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, I'm on support number 7. It doesn't work this way. You start the count of the support attempts right after the bullish breakout happens. This was the bullish breakout and therefore this was support number 1. So all I'm waiting for right now, for the market to fall down a little bit more, for a few more pips, to reach the same level of the real support level, and it creates a support number 2. There I'm going to place my buy order. So we have to wait for the gold to fall to another 28 pips, which is going to happen very soon, I think. Therefore I just want to make sure that my entry is very accurate. So let me just make sure that I'm selecting the correct level of the support. And let me just scroll to the left to confirm if this was also a strong support. Look at that. Check this out, my friends. This is the real level of the support right here. We can see the strong rejection happened in the past on 7th of March 2022. And here again, the level of 1960.92 is very strong level as a support. So as you can see, this is the level 1960.92. This was the real level of the support. So anyway, let's now wait for the market to fall to this level before we can start buying. But can we short the gold until it reaches that level? Let's check it out. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, now I'm going crazy. Now let me just zoom out like that on the 1 minute time frame so I can see clearly the support and resistance levels. Now on the 1 minute time frame, actually it's not bad idea to start shorting until the pair reaches that level of a previous. Actually, you know something, this is gonna be stupid. This is gonna be so stupid. I don't want to do that. Not on my live account. Okay, let me just wait for the market to reach this level of the support and then I'll be back to you. Alright, I'll do it, but I will reduce the lot size. I will just make it 0.40, half of what I'm planning to invest in the first place. And let me just show you that we can place the trade right here. Let me just first of all set the stop loss to be $100. Yeah, that's fine. $100. Okay, so let me just explain to you the reason behind this entry and why did I confirm it on the 1 minute time frame. So if you guys have watched that video, you will see clearly what I'm talking about. So we are having right here a resistance trend line, and we can see that the market has been respecting that resistance trend line several times. Now pay attention that I actually have drawn the resistance trend line right here, and all I'm doing is just simply dragging the same resistance trend line to the next resistance trend line, which is exactly right here. And pay attention that this level has been respected several times as well. And the market has reversed exactly on the same level of that resistance trend line, which means that right now the pair is going to continue to fall. And we're having right here this resistance, which is going to be like a backdoor protection for the rise above that level of previous resistance trend line. So this resistance trend line right here is actually protecting me. Look at that. We are going in the profits. We are going in the profits, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Fantastic. I'm very happy to see this happen. And of course, don't forget that I'm using IC Markets Forex broker, which I believe is the best Forex broker in the world. And that's the reason my entry was perfect, because the spread for the gold is usually 0. Now it's high. It's actually 1.2. That's high. If you are in IC Markets already and you are having this spread higher than that, then make sure that you are switching to the raw account, not the standard. For the standard, you will find it higher than that. All right. For the take profit level. Now, since we have placed our trade right here on that resistance, the target has to be placed exactly at the nearest support to my entry. And of course, this is exactly where I'm planning to start the buy order. Of course, it has to be my take profit level. So we entered with the small lot size, very small lot size, you know, guys, because I'm just here trading the possibility, because what I'm planning for is to actually start to buy the gold right here. Now what I'm doing is shorting the gold right on the support level, which is sometimes crazy. But on the 1 minute time frame, it's actually a good entry. All I need to do right now is increasing the lot size back to 0.20 and get ready for the market. Once it reaches that level of a support, as we have agreed in the beginning of the video, then I'm going to open another buy order. So things are going great so far. We are running in 10 pips of profit, which is fine. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I finish this trade and open the next one. And sure enough, my friends, we are making a very decent profit. And that, okay, buy. Press the buy order. Perfect. Set the stop loss. Wow, that was very fast. We have made about $90 from this trade. The take profit has been hidden, and I have instantly opened the buy order right now. And the first thing I did was placing my stop loss just to avoid any sudden movement in the gold. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm just very happy. It is really great trade and very decent and good profit we have made very quickly. But let's not just be sure that I will not wipe all the profits I have made from this trade. So actually, the stop loss, let me just place it a little bit higher than that. $200, 230, 235. So meaning risking about 100 of my investment. Okay, still should be fine. Still should be fine. Right now the market has reached the lowest level of the support right here. And right now this candle is scaring me. Actually, oh my goodness, it's very close to the stop loss. Shit. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's the reason you should never, ever just open the trade and leave. You have to keep watching. You have to keep monitoring the trade. You have to make sure that you are keeping your eyes on it. Now, actually, my eyes right here on the indicator that says that the candle still has at least 30 seconds for the closure. So I really don't want to make any decision before the candle closes. If the candle is going to close as a full bearish breakout candle, then we have to close the trade in loss. So far, it's not going well at all. But again, I'm on the 5-minute time frame, and that level of a support is quite strong level. I still have a good feeling about this trade. I think it's going to work very well. And I'm actually going to place my take profit level already right here. Right here, exactly. So the candle has closed as this is not a breakout candle. We are still in the safe zone, my friends. Still, it's actually a safe trade. Everything seems good so far. The market has reversed exactly right here on that support zone. So there is a chance that this candle is actually right now going to continue the rise. Now for the target. Of course, we have to change now this resistance trend line to be like that at the highest level of the resistance trend line. So since I have opened my trade right here on that level of a support, the target should be the nearest strong resistance to my entry. And of course, this was the nearest resistance to my entry. Check this out. If actually I have kept my stop loss right there, I would have actually, something would have been broken in my room for sure, because the market has just touched the stop loss and reversed immediately for 24 pips. Exactly. Check this out. Perfect. I'm very happy. Perfect. Perfect. The candle is rising, the candle is flying, and it's a valid entry, and I'm very happy about it. So again, you have to understand, my friends, that every trade you're opening is an investment, and you have to take care of it. Just opening the trade and leave is really the worst thing you can do. You have to keep your eyes on it. Just keep watching it. Make sure that you are tracking it, and you can actually make a quick decision that can actually save your day. So anyway, everything is going well so far. I'm just gonna pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And check this out, the power of support and resistance, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. The market is reversing, and right now the candle is rising. We are flying in a very good profit of 12 pips, $100 of profit, and done. I have made it. I'm very happy again. Yes, that's actually the adrenaline. The adrenaline is rushing in my blood. All right, so let me tell you the reason why I closed this trade right now, because of course I have missed one small nugget about my strategy, is closing the trade at the nearest support or resistance. So I have opened my trade right here at that support. So the nearest support or resistance is exactly right here. Now I could actually have let the trade to run, because on the 1 hour time frame I am on a support, but the problem here is that I have opened the trade right here, and the candle has went against my direction for about 24 pips. So I really had to cover the profit, the losses, and make a decent profit and just exit this trade as soon as possible. So this trade was running in about $200 of loss. So covering it with $100 of profit was actually the right decision. And as we can see right now, the candle is ranging right on that level of a previous support. All right, so let's now wait to see the right direction or the final direction of this candle. Right now, the market is ranging right on that level of a previous support. So let's not rush with any decisions. I want to take my time with this trade. So let me now just watch the gold, and I'll be back to you once I open the third trade. All right, so the gold right now is still falling. And actually I have drawn here this support zone, as we can see, my friends. And pay attention, the market has actually went down all the way as low as that support level right here. So this was like the edge or the end of the safe zone for that support zone right here. So therefore, I'm actually planning to open another buy order. This candle will close after 2 minutes. All right, so yeah, the candle has fallen. Maybe I will just reduce the lot size. I just want to keep the profits that I have made so far. And shall I do it? Still falling. It's not safe entry, I'm telling you guys. This is a risky one. It's not really the safest entry of my life, and of course I'm gonna do it. Whatever happened, let it happen. So investing $170 in this trade. Yeah, I'm a little bit scared. It's not really the best entry. Okay, 30, 32, 25. It's not the best entry. I'm actually relying on that support level right here. That's the reason I have placed my trade right here. And of course, right now, I have placed my trade exactly, let me just show it to you, at the lowest level of the support, as you can see right here. And again, because I'm using ICO markets, the spread for the gold is very low, as less than one actually, as we can see, 1.1, 1.2, 0.7, 11, 0.8. So yeah, it's low actually. All right, so the take profit level has been placed exactly at that level of the resistance, because I'm actually expecting from the market, if it has made any reversal upon the pressure from that support at 1,960, it's gonna continue the rise till it reaches at least the same level of that resistance trend line to create 1, 2, 3, 4, to create a fifth attempt of the resistance trend line. So far we're running in $51 of profit. I want the account to reach to above $2,000 before closing the video. That's the target actually. So I think once I see here $2,000, I'm going to close this trade and end this video. Anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Check this out, my friends. The power of support and resistance again is striking. Check this out. Again, we are here right now on that same level of the lowest level of the support at, let me just be sure, at 1958.70. The market hasn't been able to break out from that level, and even when the candle has made an attempt to exceed or to break out from that level, it has failed. And look at that. Check this out. Fantastic. Check the bullish movement right here. It's very strong. It's a very strong bullish movement, and right now the account is above $2,000. I think I'm going to close it with a profit, and yes, $2,009, but fine. I'm very happy with that. So yes, now I have to tell you something. Actually, if this trade session seems like showing off, I really apologize for it. I didn't mean this to happen. All I'm doing right here is showing you how I am earning my money from live trading, and this is exactly what I'm doing for trades. I'm just setting the take profit and stop losses, but also still I'm watching how this trade is going on. Always keep your eyes, my friends, on the trade. No matter what happens, don't let your eyes go off it. Make sure that you are tracking your trade and chasing how this market is moving. Sometimes the market can actually change the direction upon anything can happen, such as a news or something. So make sure always that you are keeping your eyes on the trade and closing or opening another trade in the right time. Just make sure that you are not striking yourself to the stop loss and take profit level. It's gonna be pointless in my opinion. The price action is always says it all, and make sure that you are tracking the price action to decide if you should close your trade in small loss or not. So anyway, it was a very small session, and since now the account is above $2,000, I'm going to stop trading for now, waiting for some better opportunity on the gold as well. Right now I'm waiting for the gold to make any movement above or below that level of a support. Of course, there is still a chance that the gold might go below that level of a support, but I'm not going to enter this game again. I will just wait to see what will gonna happen, and I will just get along with the gold, how it will keep going. So anyway, I think that was a fair session. If you guys have learned anything, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share this video. Let this video go viral as much as possible. Let everyone learn about trading gold and how we can scalp gold from extreme trader style. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.